How to download songs from Suno AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download a song from Suno AI. Now, let's just begin. So, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Suno AI. After you type the website in, you will just get redirected there. Now, wherever you have created the song, you can just head over there. For example, if you have it on library, head over to your library, or if you just created it, you can head over to the creation tab as well. Now, after you're here, all you need to do is to download. You will need to locate the song that you want to download. So let's say this is the one that I want to download. I'll just tap on the three dots right besides it. And after you tap on it, you will see the download option. Tap on download, and after you select the download option, you'll find the audio and video option. Now, since I just created this music, it's taking some time to load, but after it completes loading, you can tap on the audio option, and after you tap on the audio option, this music will start getting downloaded. And it's literally that simple, guys, and that is basically all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.